What's up, Jimmy?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
You wanna see my pet monkey? I found him in the bush.
Sure. Wow.
Yeah.
You look so cool.
Oh.
Can I have a turn?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
No,
Dad, please. No.
Is that your monkey? Is that your monkey?
No.
Is that your monkey?
My monkey.
Give me you. Let's go. Yeah. Get. Yeah.
Hey, do that. No.
Yeah. Ow. Yeah. Well,
Shoot him.
Go. Shoot. Yeah, you missed. You missed because your baby hand. Ah!
We gotta go.
Oh, my hand. Oh, my hand.
You okay?
I'm homeless.
Wait, I have a pic for you. Hold up.
What?
It's in my pocket, but it might be hot.
Dude, this is raw.
Don't worry.
You can use it with the steam of your cocoa.
Yeah.
Oh, free coffee.
You okay? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You didn't like that? We fished it out for you.
Ow! Oh wait, is that blood?
Maybe. Ooh, damn, that smells like shit, man.
What?
Go take a bath.
Ugh.
Wait, let me smell you. Ooh, oh. No, don't smell it, bro. You smell like Tom Pearl. Let me smell it. You think he's? Let me smell it. Wait, why do you smell like deodorant? I guess you're fine. Come on. Oh, yeah. That smells shit still. Ooh.
Yo, are you done yet?
Yo, get out!
Oh yeah. Is that?
Yo, bro, you done yet? I'm trying to take a shit.
No!
I'm too sorry. Wait.
Ow!
Bro, we need money so bad, bro.
I know.
Bro. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo, you good, man?
You
Yeah,
good, bro?
I think I'm good. What?
Yo.
Wait, I'm gonna go to the doctor. Hold up.
How do we tell him we can't afford a doctor?
Oh no. Bro, who should be the leader, bro?
Maybe you because you shot your own dad.
Bro, shh.
Yo, shot your own dad?
Well, he shot my pet monkey, and he's abusive. He's drunk.
Okay.
Yeah. So, who should be the leader?
I guess you, cause.
Okay. Where we gonna work though?
Let's go rob that bank over there. I got some guns.
Yeah, I'm not robbing a bank.
Do it.
Can we just work at a farm?
No.
See you later, dude.
Guess we're robbing a bank. Come on. Wait, guys, wait. I gotta break the glass. Alright, let's go. This is a robbery!
Everyone, get down. This is a robbery.
Wait, guys, shh. There's nobody here.
Okay.
Come on.
Guys, how are we gonna get through the vault?
Oh, don't worry. I got it.
Oh, what the?
Oh.
Everyone, get down!
Oh.
Guys, where the fuck do I go? Hurry up! Come on! Oh, come on! Come on, go! What? Oh shit! We gotta get him! We gotta get Gerald!
Nah, bro. Just keep going.
Okay. I didn't do anything. Ah,
Then why you shot?
cause you're freaking one of your dumbass bodyguards shot me.
What? That's it.
What I do? What I do? What? What I do? I'm sorry. What the?
Well. Isn't it the person who shot his own dad?
What the? How do you even know? How do you know that?
Because I was there. And I saw the turtle too.
Oh shit.
And I'm gonna kill you. Ow!
Shit, I gotta escape! I gotta escape! I gotta go!
Yo,
Oh, what the fuck? Yo, hey, dude.
bro. I think he's dead, bro. I think Gerald's dead.
Damn. Wait. Oh my gosh. So, like, he's dead.
Yeah.
Why didn't we save him?
I don't know, man. What the?
Why didn't we save him, dude?
You left me! I wasn't dead after all. I almost died. But still, I'll kill you like I killed my dad. I didn't do it an accident. I did it on purpose. Why'd you leave me?
I didn't have a choice.
You did have a choice. Life or death. I would choose death than life.
Well, that's your opinion.
I don't care if you died. You're just a random person. You found.
We could talk this out, fellers.
Yeah, we can talk this out.
Yep.
I heard everything you said. He wanted to save me. You didn't. You told him to run away.